What is good, folks? You are here chilling with real Satoshi Aoki. So as some of you may be aware, Bitsgap are now an official partner of the Satoshi Aoki YouTube channel in 2021. Why did I choose Bitsgap? They are the most profitable bot service that I have ever used, and I've found extreme pleasure in using their services. So in this short series, I'm gonna be updating you 4 times every single month. So I'm gonna be giving you weekly updates about the profits that I am making with Bitsgap. I'm gonna be disclosing to you which trading pairs I'm getting involved in, and I'm gonna be slowly educating you on the process of how to get involved in bot trading. Now, trading, cryptocurrency investing, all that kind of thing, especially if you are a complete beginner, can be really, really daunting and hard to understand. So make sure you keep in touch with this series and let me know in the comment section below any questions you may have, because I'm going to treat these episodes as a bit of a Q&A. So any questions at all that you have about crypto or really this Bitsgap trading bot specifically, please let me know and I'll get back to you on that answer. If you do decide that it's something that you want to give a go, there will be a referral link in the description of this video. If you do sign up with the referral link in the description of this video, you'll get 14 days of premium for free, and then after that you will be asked to pay a fee for the services. Just quickly as well, folks, you've got to understand trading, investing, all that kind of jazz. It's really, really risky stuff. And you've got to remember, I'm not a financial advisor. These videos are not financial advice. This is just simply me sharing my profits and experience with you as my audience. All right, let's check out this bot. Okay, folks, we're going to start with the education segment of the show first. Now, something that I want to make you aware of is the recommended strategy. So if you focus your attention on the right-hand side of the screen, as you can see here, it says month back test result, okay? So these are the trading pairs and their results that have been recommended for the last month, okay? The most profitable ones being up the top and the least profitable ones being down the bottom, okay? So as you can see here, we've got GTO to USD base pair. It was up 47.56% for the last month. And if we scroll all the way down to the bottom of this list, we've got Great British Pounds to Binance USD up 1.37% for the last month, okay? If you're a little bit less risk adverse, okay? So, I mean, look, obviously there's a lot of different strategies and ways you can go about this. You can make this a little bit more complicated for yourself if you want, all right? If you want to spend a bit more time on it. But the beauty of this is you don't really have to spend any time on it at all, other than just simply choosing a few pairs and just letting them play out for the month or the week or however long you choose to run your pairs through, okay? I usually let my pairs run through at the moment for around 20 days or so, given a few exceptions depending on that particular altcoin or that pair and how it has been performing. Okay, but I mean, look, again, as I said, there's a few different strategies and ways you can do this, but something that I've kind of figured out is that, you know, if I don't personally feel like I have a lot of time to spend on it for whatever reason, I'm just going to go through and look for a particular altcoin that I feel pretty bullish on, you know, no matter what the market conditions might present. So, for example, there's been a lot of bullishness around VET lately, okay? So, and because I'm into the idea of stacking some Ethereum for the long term, with this pair here, folks, if you just hone in, I would be using Ethereum as my base pair, trading against VET. VET with Ethereum. Ethereum is the base pair. So we're trading VET in order to accumulate more Ethereum, okay? So we're buying VET low and we're selling VET high, all right? And we're accumulating more Ethereum. This pair is up 29.31% for the last month, okay? So that's probably a pair that I might consider opening pretty soon, maybe next month, all right, in February. All right, so that's going to be the education for the week, folks. Now, if we scroll over now and getting to the profits, the juicy section, this is the stuff I know you guys want to know about. So I've in total had this bot service running for about 28 days now, okay? And these are my pairs here. I am using the premium service, okay? So you will only have a limited amount of trading pair options unless you do upgrade to the paid service, okay? So I have 10 pairs here, guys, because I just can't decide on just a few. I need to have a few pairs here. So let's just have a bit of a scroll through and have a look, okay? So we'll start down with the first pair that I did open, just to give you an example. It was my INJ, okay, so injective protocol against USDT. In this particular case, USDT is my base pair. The funds value, okay, is 6,818 USDT, all right, and that is up 12.34%, okay, and the bot profit is $934 which is an increase in 13.72%. All right, and as you can see here, folks, it gives you the data here, which is fantastic. All right, it's been running for 28 days and 12 hours, okay, and it gives you the average of 0.49%. 0.49% per day. I mean, come on, that's awesome, guys. What do you think about that? Let me know in the comment section below. And just a little bit more education, guys, just to make myself really, really clear here. As you can see, just understanding the difference between the value of the funds here and the actual bot profit, okay? So when we're talking about the bot profit itself, this is the profit that the bot is making on the base pair. So for example, if we use, again, injective protocol against USDT, all right? If we're in a bit of a bearish market, okay, and I invest, and then after I invest, the price of injective protocol goes down, all right? It's more than likely in that particular case that this profit is going to go down. Actually, I'm going to give you a bit of a better example. If we scroll up to the top here, so how long ago was it? 5 days and 19 hours ago, all right? I opened a Stellar Ethereum base pair, okay? And if we have a look here, guys, the funds value is actually down. So that's my total investment, which was 6 Ethereum. The total value is down almost 5%, 4.84%. Now, that does not necessarily mean that it's a bad thing, all right? It's just the conditions of the market, okay? It's just representing the fact that Stellar had a bit of a run up, all right? Ethereum had a bit of a run up as well, and now Ethereum and Stellar are trading slightly down on the short term. But as for me, coming back to my original point, I personally feel like Stellar and Ethereum in the long term are going to be good investments, so I'm comfortable seeing that total investment value down 5% over 5 days, because when I come over and have a look at the actual profits that the bot has been making me in the form of Ethereum, all right, it's actually made me 0.05315542 Ethereum, which at today's price is $67 US. Alrighty folks, so just because there is so much to cover on this page, right, I'm only just going to be giving you snippets every single week because I know that there's a lot to unpack here, but if I was to just go through all of this in one go, it'll be like an hour-long video, and I know you guys would get bored like after 4 or 5 minutes. So I'm going to try and keep these videos as brief as I can, give you the updates of the profits, give you the education, give you some cool things I appreciate about the app, and really just open myself up to any questions that you might have about this Bitsgap trading bot. Okay, so now if we just have a bit of a look, as I said before, I'm up 5.59% in total. Okay, so I'm up a total of $1,844 US with a total investment of $32,974 US. Okay, so I'm pretty happy, guys. I've had this bot running for 28 days. Okay, and I'm up nearly 2K. Okay, so I'm feeling pretty good about that. And you're going to be seeing these regular updates, guys, every single week. Okay, you're going to be seeing the money that I'm making in real time. Okay, I'm just an average guy. Okay, nothing special about me. I have a little bit of experience in trading with TA. Okay, but not too much. All right. But I just love this, guys. It's just an easy and efficient way for me to just be involved with trading, okay, without spending hours and hours in front of the computer, okay, because I kind of already do that with my YouTube channel, and I know a lot of you people out there are working desk jobs with the Roni, you're sitting behind your desk, and you just want to get up, move, and get away from the computer, okay, rather than sit down and spend hours in front of it, all right? So let me know in the comment section below if you've got any questions about this at all, and I'll be happy to answer them. Alrighty, folks, so that's going to wrap it up for today's episode of Bitsgap Education and Profits. I hope you did enjoy today's episode. If you liked the episode today, guys, just give me a like on the video. It really does help the growth of the channel. If you are new around here, please do consider subscribing and make sure you turn those notification bells on and stay tuned for next week's episode of Bitsgap Education and Profits. And make sure you do sign up using the referral link in the description of this video to get your 14 days free premium trial of the Bitsgap trading bot. From wherever you are watching in the world, I hope you have a blessed day, and I shall catch you in the next video. Cheers, viewers.